given lines 3x plus 4y plus 3 equal to 0, 6x plus 8y plus 11 equal to 0. Distance between the parallel lines. C1 minus C2 by under root a square plus b square. But see, a values are not equal. Parallel lines differ by a constant only. That means x values, y values are equal. So 3, 6, 4, 8. First equate the x values and y values. First equation into 2 gives 2 into 3, 6, 2 into 4, 8, 2 into 3, 6. So a values are equal, b values are equal. One is C1, one is C2. C1, C2, or this is C1, this is C2. So distance between the parallel lines, modulus of C1 minus C2 by under root 6 square plus 8 square. Numerator value 5, denominator value 36 plus 64. 5 by root 100. Root 100 value 10. Root 100. Fifth table. 2 times cancel. So answer is 1 by 2. Answer is x plus ky plus 2 equal to 0. Or all of you listen. Identical lines. Suppose these two lines are called parallel lines. These two are called identical lines. Parallel lines. A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2. Suppose the two lines are identical lines. A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. So that is the difference between parallel lines formula and identical lines formula. Parallel lines A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2. Identical lines A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. Given these two are identical lines. So A1, write the formula. A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2, 2 by lambda, 3 by K equal to 4 by 2. He wants what is the value? He wants 3 lambda minus 2k value. He wants this value. So take these two. 2k equal to 3 lambda. So 3 lambda minus 2k equal to 0. That is the answer. A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. He wants 3 lambda minus 2k. So take these two only. By cross multiplication, 2k equal to 3 lambda. Take this one. 3 lambda minus 2k equal to 0. 35. 1, 2. x1, y1. Second point. K, 1. x to y2, L line 3x plus 4y minus 7 equal to 0, and ratio is given 4:9, then k value. This is the given data. Given 2 points and a line and a ratio. Then what is the value of k? So we know the formula, ratio formula. When given one line and 2 points, minus L11 is to L22. So given minus L11 is to L22 is 4/9. So minus, substitute the first point, 3 into 1, 4 into 2, minus 7 by L22, 3k plus 4 minus 7 equal to 4/9. So numerator value 4/9. Numerator value minus of 3 plus 8, 11. 11 minus 7, 4 by 3k minus 3. 3k minus 3 equal to 4/9. 4 cancel. 3 cancel. So by cross multiplication, minus 3 equal to k minus 1. So minus 3 plus 1 equal to k. So k value is minus 2. K value is minus 2. 2 comma minus 5. B point minus 5 comma 2. Lie on same side. Lie on opposite sides. So calculate L11 and L22. Suppose L11 and L22 both either plus or minus, they lie same side of the line. Suppose one is positive, one is negative, then in this case the points lie opposite sides of the line. So calculate L11 value and L22 value. Just we want only symbols. Both symbols are equal, same side. Both symbols are opposite signs, then the points lie the opposite sides of the given line. So calculate L11. 3 into 2 plus 4 into minus 5 minus 8, 6 minus 20 minus 8. So 6 minus 28 minus 22. That is negative answer. Similarly, L22, 3 into minus 5, 4 into 2, minus 8, plus 8 to minus 8 cancel, minus 15. This is also negative value. So L11 less than 0, L22 less than 0. Therefore, the points lie same side of the line. Same side of the line. A point 1 comma 2, B point 3 comma 4, line equation 3x 3x minus 5y plus a equal to 0. See, the 2 points lie on the same side. All of you listen. Same side. Suppose this is plus symbol, this is also plus symbol. Suppose one is a minus, second one is also minus. So this is L11 value, this is L22 value, L11 value, L22 value. In both cases, suppose both are positive, their product is also positive. Both are negative, their product is also positive. So in both cases, L11 into L22 is greater than 0. So we apply that condition. So L11 into L22 greater than 0. L11 value 3 into 1 minus 5 into 2 plus a L22 value 3 into 3 5 into 4 plus a greater than 0. 3 minus 10 plus a 9 minus 20 plus a. So a minus 7 into a minus 11 greater than 0. This is the formula in the senior inter formula. X minus alpha into x minus beta greater than 0, then x less than alpha, x greater than beta. Alpha is greater than beta. This is the formula. X minus alpha into x minus beta greater than 0. Then x less than alpha, x greater than beta. So alpha value is less than beta. So using this formula, alpha is 7. Alpha is less than beta. So alpha is 7. Beta is 11. So answer is A less than 7. A greater than 11. 2 comma minus 1. B point 6 comma 5. The ratio in which the put of the perpendicular, let it be P, this is Q. From 4-1 to AB divides, it is in the ratio. So we want a ratio minus L11 is to L22. L11. This is X1, Y1. This is X2, Y2. But not given line equation. First we calculate equation of the line. First we calculate equation of this line. How to calculate that one? First calculate slope of AB. Then its perpendicular slope. Take the reciprocal value and change the symbol. Using that slope and this point, apply the formula y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. We get the line equation. After that one, we apply this formula. Right? Okay. Slope of AB equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 6 by 4 3 by 2 table cancel. Therefore slope of PQ take its reciprocal and also change symbol. So equation of PQ y minus y1 equal m into x minus x1. Y minus y1 equal m into x minus x1 by cross multiplication. 3y minus 3 minus 2x plus h. So 2x plus 3y minus 3 minus h equal to 0. So L is identically equal to 2x plus 3y minus 11. Therefore ratio is minus L11 is to L22 minus of L11 value 2 into 2 plus 3 into minus 1 minus 11 2 into 2 3 into minus 1 minus 11 is to L22 2 into 6 3 into 5 minus 11. So minus of 4 minus 3 minus 11 is to 12 plus 15 minus 11. This is a minus 14. 4 minus 14 minus 10. Minus of minus 10 plus 10. This is 12 minus 11 1. 1 plus 15 16. 2 table cancel.